Hello everyone and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Nothing is more frustrating than a card declined message when you're trying to check out. So PayPal's security is tighter than ever this year. Today I'm giving you 5 rapid-fire fixes to get that payment through, from simple data checks to the nuclear option that works every time. So first let's check the basics. So open your PayPal wallet and then check your billing address. So if your PayPal address is street and your bank has ST with a dot, the transaction might fail. So match them perfectly. And also look at the card in the PayPal app. Do you see a link that says confirm card? If so, PayPal needs you to verify ownership by entering a 4-digit code from your bank statement before they'll let you use it for big purchases. And sometimes it's not the money, it's the tech. So firstly, you can clear your cookies. So you go to your browser settings, go to the settings. After that, you go to reset settings, and you can just default your browser completely, and yeah, just get it to its original state. Also, you can press on Control-Shift-Delete, and you can, as you can see, delete your cookies specifically for if you want to do that. If you want to delete them only for PayPal, you can. Or just go ahead and delete all, but make sure to understand that you will need to log in all other websites that you've logged into. So once again, and after that, just delete data and uncheck everything that you don't need deleted. Okay, so just cookies. Also, you can try the incognito mode. As you can see, I am actually using it now. And all data can flag your session as suspicious. And also, if you're on public Wi-Fi or using a VPN, PayPal might block the card. So switch to your mobile data and try the payment again. Then, still failing, you can use Add Funds trick. So instead of paying with the card directly, use the card to add money to your PayPal balance first. So you go to your PayPal balance right over here from the home page, and you can do it like this. So this is your troubleshooting guide to save your shopping trip. Hit subscribe and like the video if this helped. See you soon, guys.